Hello, this is EV3 Trade Signal Ideas in association with Forex. In our Go with the Flow series, this video is titled TriggerFlow and Andrew's Pitchfork Overlay. This is Friday, July the 16th. As with the Go with the Flow series, I'd like to just quickly go over the definition of our TriggerFlow index. It is a proprietary indicator that is used to gauge the underlying net positioning in each market product that we look at, be that an individual product or a multi-product composite for use in cross-asset analysis. In my thinking, this is a far too often overlooked component that helps immeasurably in assessing market psychology. Positioning never does go out of style. As for the Andrew's Pitchfork, this is a charting technique using three high and low price points that follow in chronological order, used in conjunction to project potential future support or resistance lines. So point A, low point B, high point C. Following this up, from these three price points, one draws the three forward projecting parallel lines, thus the name Pitchfork, with the middle one being the important median line. The theory holds that if this median line is broken through, then 80% of the time the corresponding outer support or resistance lines will be tested. So here is point A, point B, and point C, with this being the midpoint of BC, straight line drawn from A through the midpoint, and parallel lines up above that. This is the key median line right here. If this is breached to the downside, we would expect 80% of the time to go and test line B. It hasn't, so right now this is a nice defined down channel in this example of AC. So following this up, bringing the two together, the TriggerFlow index and the Andrew's Pitchfork, we're looking at a 15-minute chart on AUDUSD. We see the blue TFI or TriggerFlow index line here, along with the yellow bar chart spot AUDUSD. What we see here with the blue TFI line, is there's a nice bullish divergence. Higher TFI while price is going lower. Overlaying this with the Andrew's Pitchfork with the low, the high, subsequent low, midpoint of that line here, projecting the median line here, and the top line here, we see that the TFI has broken above key Andrew's Pitchfork resistance. So this highlights a nice overlay with this is a very bullish signal crossed above with on top of the bullish divergence from the TFI, offers me a nice entry level way down here in spot AUDUSD. So the idea would be buy this area with stops down in this area. If you like this type of analysis, you can see this on a daily basis in my chat room at forexfox.com. And to sign up for a 7-day free trial to kick the tires, so to speak, you can sign up at community.forexfox.com. Thanks and have yourself a nice night.